to you, my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. This is going to be the last update that I bring you about the Fendi 25th anniversary re-edition baguettes and Fendi's Cruise 2023 drop that's coming on the 3rd of November. As I film this video, it is currently the 28th of October, so not too far away. I have pre-ordered 3 pieces and 2 are coming from one place, one's coming from another place, and I'm kind of waiting and hoping for confirmation on potentially another one. But if you aren't following people on the Instagrams, I just wanted to give you a bit of an idea around what to expect from the 25th anniversary re-editions pieces, because these are just stunning pieces. So I'll put the collage of all of the pieces up here. But whilst we're looking at this collage, you can see that we've got everything from sequins to furs to shearlings to embroidery and mirrors. We've got mini sequins, we've got crystals, we've got denim, we've got beads, we have a green grinchy horsehair baguette, we've got a skunk, we've got astrakhan, we have everything, zucca print. I mean, there's all sorts of things here, and nearly, well, every single one of these is a re-edition from between 1997 and the year 2000. Now, these are the 25 baguettes, celebrating 25 years of the Fendi baguette. Yes, there are a bunch of other bags being released on the 3rd of November drop, but they're not part of the 25 baguettes for the 25th anniversary of the baguette. Are we clear on that one? There's a few people that are pretty confused. So I'm going to just put in some imagery here, things that have been sent to me, things that I have grabbed from the Instagrams to kind of show you the workmanship involved in some of these pieces, and then I'll show you through some of the sequins as well, which are just absolutely delightful. So in terms of the re-editions, we're seeing quite a few of the beaded options. We're seeing some of the astrakhan. We're seeing, oh, how beautiful are they? The mirrored baguette. We're seeing more beads. The shearling, honestly, just absolutely incredible workmanship and just out of this world beautiful pieces. To try and see these from stock photos is nothing compared to some of the footage that we're now starting to see online, where we see them in 3D being twisted around and the glistening. One of the ones that actually really surprised me is the silver one that Linda Evangelista had in the kind of promotional campaign for this particular show and collection. It looks really drab in photos, but boy does it sparkle in video and in person, and oh god, so many temptations. So that is one of the sequins that are part of the 25th anniversary, and there are also obviously a pink and a blue model as well, which are just divine. Now, a lot of people have been sending me DMs saying that they've been lucky enough to secure through pre-order some of the sequin pieces, and congratulations to everybody, because I don't know how you chose a colour, let alone a size. Most of these are coming in both mini and regular size baguettes, and the colours are just incredible. The beautiful purple, and you know, I've disclosed it to a few close friends, but I will tell you guys here because you are good friends, that if I was choosing between my Sex and the City purple baguette and this new purple, that kind of lighter purple, based on the colour alone, I'd be choosing the new one. It just speaks to me in so many ways. It doesn't have the nostalgia or the attachment to Sex and the City, and you know, that period of time back in the late 90s, but the colour, I just adore that colour. Then we've got the turquoise I've spoken about a number of times, but isn't it just, oh, out of this world beautiful. The wasabi green has been a quiet little achiever. A lot of people saying to me, oh my God, I totally dismissed it, but now I'm seeing it. I just love it. It is a divine piece. The rose gold has caught a lot of hearts as well. The rose gold, it's incredible. Obviously the red sequins and you know, those ruby slippers that Meredith talked about in our download. The red sequin is just delightful, as well as the black. So lots of sequin options. Then in addition to those, we've seen some little baguette some phone baguettes, and some nano baguettes that are coming in little packs. We've got the little baguette, which is in that kind of nylon silky kind of colour. You know, Fendi first in fox purple. Oh, and it also came in a white as well, which is just incredible. I can't wait till we start to see people unboxing these. It's just going to be like Vlogmas. There are a bunch of leather pieces as well, which I've talked about in previous videos, but the one that I'm most interested to see is the new peekaboo with the baguette clasp on the front. That's going to be really interesting, and hopefully I'll be able to see that in person this week. So look, again, hearing different things. I have pre-ordered here in Australia. I know a lot of people have, but we've been unable to take our things home with us yet because the launch is strictly on the 3rd of November. However, I have had people send me messages saying they had it in store and I was able to take it home. So who knows? Overseas, I'm hearing that people have put in their pre-orders. There's going to be pop-ups appearing all over the place. I've even heard a rumour that the pop-up for Australia is going to be in the Chadstone shopping centre, but not until the 13th of November, 10 days after launch. So how does that work, and what stock are they going to use, and is there going to be like a crazy Hunger Games situation for those pieces? Will there even be a pop-up after the first 5 minutes? Who knows? In the UK, I believe that pre-ordering is kind of tricky as far as I'm aware, and everyone's keeping everything quite close. I'm speaking to people in Switzerland, in Austria, in France, and it's a different story everywhere. So all I can say is get in touch with your sales associate. If you don't have one, get one, find a friend, get connected, because I sincerely think that waiting for these to go online and going to buy them is just probably going to result in a few tears and panic buying of what's left, and we don't want that. So yeah, look, that's my news. I just can't wait until the unboxings start to happen. I can't wait to share my unboxing with you and what I've chosen, and you know, and let alone Meredith's unboxing is going to be epic without any spoilers. So yeah, everyone that I know that it's a Fendi lover has put their pre-orders in and is waiting patiently for confirmation on when they're going to be able to pick up or be sent their goods. So I look forward to seeing you in my unboxing, and who knows when that'll be. Hopefully it'll be very close to the launch date next week. So until then, my Fendi fans, I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.